So here's how you can turn off the specific Gmail notifications on the iPhone. So let me show you exactly how it would work. If you are new here and first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. So it depends on which like mail client you use, because you could use a Gmail account inside of the iPhone mail or inside of the dedicated Gmail, right? But let's say that you use the official Gmail app from Google. You can open up the app and click on the side panel where you have the ability to go to the settings, and part of that we have the email notifications, which is kind of like a huge thing. It's like a huge place where you can like manage the stuff, and here you decide if you get notifications about primary, all new mail, high priority only, or none, right? So it's impossible to select all the people which you want to receive notifications about. So it kind of like puts them all into different categories. And usually when I set it to primary only, it's probably the best option for me and for a lot of people as well, because all of the promotions and social media updates are not going to be delivered as mail notifications, only the primary, and the filtering for what is primary I find that to be pretty useful within Gmail. So I personally like to have it set up this way. Obviously you have like notification sounds which you can change, and so on. So that is most definitely something which you can do. However, you can as well just hold it down on the individual mail and click on more options, and you can mark it as important, right? Because if sometimes if it happens that some emails are not part of the primary list, and if you want to be notified about those, just hold it down on that particular email thread and then choose to mark it as important, and that way you will also be notified about that, right? Because you give it more importance. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you managed to find what you needed. I hope I could help. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.